So ladies and gentlemen, we are down to the two remainders. But before that, I would like to request the remaining teams to be here in front. Doing it as the right side and left side. Okay. So we are ready to basically here in this part. And then, because the team form a circle as if you are just like waiting for the result. Dayan. Berian kita sendiri. But before that, congratulations sa ating mga performers. I know how hard it is to conceive a routine that is competitive, entertaining, dynamic, and everything. No? Alright. Okay. Before that, okay. I know you have done your part well. The performance. But first, let's have a little showdown in front. Just like at the batubang lang, ha? Budots music in 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Tagi music. Let the showdown begins! Okay, ginawa. Sa mag-hold hands mo, mag-ibig. Okay. I will be announcing the champion. So, hindi matawa, mao ang first placer. So, first placer will get first to receive your cash prize and plaque. Okay. Second placer will receive 250,000 pesos. And the grand champion will get to receive an hefty 300,000 pesos. Madlang people and the corporations, this year's variety show grand champion goes to... Thank you very much, ma'am. To the family and sa guests. Sa kanan na mga nag-run. A round of applause to our top two. Ito na. I'm so happy to be part and to announce this year's grand champion. You are the grand champion! So we'd like to give this opportunity for the Miss Bernelos to receive their plaque and prize. Congratulations.